In the diverse world of project management software, Basecamp holds a unique position. Known for its opinionated approach to project organization and communication, it offers a distinct philosophy that resonates with many teams. When considering any software for your projects, one of the most immediate and practical questions is always about its cost. How do I pay for Basecamp, and what are my options? As a project management expert, I can tell you that Basecamp's pricing model is refreshingly straightforward, especially when compared to many other tools in the market that offer complex tiered pricing based on features, storage, or modules. Basecamp has intentionally kept its pricing simple, focusing on value and transparency. Basecamp's pricing philosophy: simplicity is key. Basecamp's co-founders, Jason Fried and David Heinemeier Hansen, have long advocated for simplicity in software and business. This philosophy is deeply embedded in their pricing structure. They aim to reduce decision fatigue and provide clear value, rather than constantly upselling users to higher tiers for essential features. Historically, Basecamp has adjusted its pricing model a few times, but it has largely settled on a structure that offers clear choices designed to fit different organizational sizes and needs. Currently, Basecamp offers two main pricing plans, along with a specialized free option for educational use. The two core paid plans: Basecamp per user / Basecamp Plus. Cost: this plan is typically priced at $15 per user per month. Billing: it's usually billed on a month-to-month basis, offering flexibility. Ideal for: this plan is designed for freelancers, startups, and smaller teams where the per-user cost makes sense. If you have a small, growing team, this allows you to pay only for the active users you need. Features: what's crucial to understand is that this per-user plan includes access to virtually all of Basecamp's core features. You get unlimited projects, all collaboration tools, message boards, to-do lists, schedules, documents, files, campfire chat, automatic check-ins, and the ability to invite clients and contractors to specific projects for free without counting against your user limit. Storage: this plan typically includes 500 gigabytes of storage. Support: it comes with 24/7/365 customer support. Basecamp Pro Unlimited. Cost: this plan has a flat monthly fee of $349 per month when billed monthly, or $299 per month if billed annually, which translates to a significant saving over the year. Billing: you can choose between monthly or annual billing. The annual option is clearly incentivized. Ideal for: this plan is a game changer for growing businesses, larger teams, or companies that anticipate scaling their usage. The flat rate pricing means you can add as many internal users as you need without the cost increasing. Features: like the per-user plan, this includes all of Basecamp's features. Storage: a major upgrade here is the storage, which jumps to 5 terabytes, 5,000 gigabytes. This is a substantial amount of space for files, documents, and assets across numerous projects. Additional perks: the Pro Unlimited plan often includes perks like 1:1 onboarding assistance and real-time priority support, which can be invaluable for larger organizations getting started or needing quick resolutions. It also includes the timesheet upgrade for time tracking and the Admin Pro Pack for advanced administrative controls. Value proposition: for teams larger than, say, 20 to 25 users, this flat rate quickly becomes more cost-effective than the per-user plan, as your per-person cost decreases with every new team member you add. For instance, a team of 50 users on the annual Pro Unlimited plan would effectively pay less than $6 per user per month, making it highly competitive.